Concrete poems are one of my most favorite types of poems. They show words written in the shape of a picture. The words become the picture of the poem. So the poem is telling you about the shape that it's in. It may or may not rhyme. So here, I know the words are kind of hard to see, but this one's about a lollipop. My lollipop is so nice and sweet. Can't tell what the rest says. Here, when my family makes others glow, feeling good, happy, elated. And then this one about a strawberry, because you can tell by the shape. The sweet red bite-sized treat sits waiting to be picked. A quick small hand plucks it up and plops it on a tiny mound. Sticky strawberry juices dribble down. So we are going to go to the next slide. You'll click here and it will take you to these Google images of different concrete poems. So you can just look through these. There's some really cool ones, like this one with the rainbow. Here's a basketball. Just going to give you a couple minutes to look through these and maybe read some of the ones that aren't too small. And then we will move on to the next type of poem on the next slide.